Got out of school early. Well, let's record the ambience from my house.
And then we will take check-ins from additional stations. 88KXD.
Kilo Delta 8, Echo Victor November.
88 EVN, Dave, go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon. Skeet got in a little late, but I just wanted to call you and say yes, I did hear the sirens. I'm located at Dussel and Cass Road in Maumee. This is Kilo Delta 8, Echo Victor November. The net, Skeet, back to you.
UE has a relay.
88 UE, go ahead.
Yeah, Dussel and Ford Siren from WATER said functioned. Also, I had the key down. White House has functioned also. KE8UE. I had the relay for receive.
Very good, Dan. Thank you very much. Got your report and WTER's report. Very good. Okay, at this time, I'm going to do a brief roll call of the stations that have checked in. Any other station wishing to check in, just stand by and we'll get you at the end here. KD8 CYI, Lucas, are you still there? KD8 KXD.
KD8 ZYI Lucas, Siren at Monac Elementary, Sylvania Fire Station number 3, Fire Station, Toledo Fire Station 23, and at the near Longhorn Steakhouse, all sirens were heard. Functional, activated, and deactivated properly. KD8 ZYI.
Very good, Lucas. Thank you very much for the report. N8 NIR Chuck in Washington Township. Were you able to hear the sirens at your location? KD8 KXD.
Yes, I was. Washington Township went off, and then the one in Point Place at the fire station